Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll discover how to integrate our Power Automate template gallery for seamless automation. Start by opening the template gallery. Here, explore a wide range of templates, showcasing the Desk Director connector and automation examples. Understand the difference. Flow templates contain logic in one flow, while solutions split logic across multiple flows or require dataverse. Choose according to your needs. Easily import templates from the gallery by downloading the zip file. No need to unzip. Just read the README file for required connections and setup instructions. After import, configure settings as outlined in the README. Look for optional setup to expand functionality. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. For issues or new template ideas, reach out via our support portal. Start automating with our Power Automate templates today. Thanks for watching.